Hello friends, greet you all. Neanderthals, second generation of humans on the land, that is our point of view today on the life of Neanderthals. Neanderthals was a second generation of humans on the land after extinction of Homo erectus. Neanderthals appeared 500,000 years ago in Europe. They were a variation, a biological variation living along with Homo erectus. Glaciation changed environment. The climate change favored Neanderthals. Therefore, they were selected by natural selection, a quantitative population developed into qualitative population under the effect of natural selection. Evolution stands on two basic principles. These are variations and natural selection. Variations was discovered by Karl Marx. He stated dialectical materialism creates variations. On the other hand, Charles Darwin discovered principle of the natural selection. Natural selection works on variations and create a qualitative change. In biological variations, Neanderthal was a muscular, stout man. They had large head, strong bones. They had brain capacity more than Homo erectus. It was 1400 cc. Neanderthals had a long nose and thick neck. The long nose was an adaptation to warm the air inhaled in the cold environment. Neanderthals had short body and stout muscular nature in biological form. They were almost 4 feet in height. Neanderthals had curves in the legs. Therefore, they were slow moving and slow in running. Neanderthals found favor and support of natural selection. In the Ice Age, therefore, they replaced Homo erectus as a second human generation. Neanderthals developed a new culture that is known as Mousterian culture. They developed a technique of making tools which was called as Mousterian technique. They developed Mousterian industry. Neanderthals improved tools and invented new. Neanderthals invented spears. They could kill big animals such as reindeers, elephants, and bisons. Neanderthals were cave-dwelling people, but they had capacity to build shelters out of the cave on the glaciers when they were on long distance for hunting. Women participated in hunting. They were hunter and gatherer in food. They had invented needles to make leather clothes. Woman was making clothes according to requirements. They were herbal medicine. Woman was to store the food because they could not find always big animals for hunting. The Neanderthal was a successful generation of the Ice Age. They lived glaciation environment. Almost 200,000 years ago, deglaciation started, which changed the environment, and Neanderthal was to face the crisis of deglaciation change. It happened 200,000 years ago. We find a new variation of humans was there living with Neanderthals, they were Cro-Magnon people. The Cro-Magnon was third generation of humans on the land after the death of Neanderthals. We the people of modern age are suffering climate change and social change. The social system has been taken over by oligarchy. It is the rule of corporations on economy and political system. There is global crisis. In the terms of climate change and social change, Pakistan is under dictation of oligarchy, which is fighting, which is at war against democracy. They have taken over economy and political system. Therefore, we find that the war of change is in process. The natural selection is in action. We may find the results after a few or more years. Thank you.